Okay, let's talk about parents of US citizens. A lot of you think that if you have a US citizen son or daughter who's now turned 21, is it finally your chance to file for a green card? But what if you don't have a visa entry? Believe it or not, there are certain ways that you might still be able to file for a green card through your children, even if you don't have a legal entry. I want you to think, did anyone ever file for you in the past? Because there is a certain section called Section 245I, adjustment to status, which means that if you have ever had a relative or an employer petition for you before April 30, 2001, then you may actually qualify to be able to adjust your status into the United States without having to leave, even if you do not have a lawful entry. Another way that you might be able to fix your status if you have a son or daughter who is now 21, if your child is in the military or is a veteran and you file for something called military parole in place. But what if neither of these two things apply to you? Well, what we really need to talk about is, how does your child treat you? Maybe your children are very disrespectful, they curse you out. We have a lot of cases where your child might even say like, well, now that Trump is president, you better listen to me and you better do as I say, or I'll send you back to your country. Or maybe your child just straight up tells you, you should go back home. Why did you even come here? You don't deserve to be here. Your child is more than just being rude. They're actually causing you a lot of emotional pain. And we have helped several parents get green cards through this, through the VAWA self-petition.